Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro, and in this video you will learn how to add hyperlink to text in MS Word. So if you want to add links to text in MS Word, this is the video you need to watch. Now as you can see here, I have got some text in MS Word, and now without any further delay, let's learn how to add hyperlink to text in MS Word. If you want to add links to text in MS Word, the simplest way to hyperlink any text in MS Word is to use a shortcut, which I'll let you know in the later part of this video. But first learn the most basic way to add hyperlinks to text in MS Word, and for that you simply need to select any text to which you want to add hyperlink. Let's say I want to hyperlink this text, and once selected you simply need to go to Insert tab from this ribbon bar. Simply click on Insert, and then here you get the option for links. Click on that, and from this drop down menu you get these options, whether you want to add a link or bookmark or cross reference to other pages. Since I want to add link, so I'll simply select this, and here you get the pop-up showing which text you want to display. In my case here is hypertext, which would be displayed as hypertext, and then there is address bar. So I can simply enter the address to which I want to link this text in MS Word. And by the way, you also get these options, like you can add web page or file from this tab, and add any specific part of this document from this tab, and from this tab you can simply add any email address. But since we want to add link, so we'll select this one and enter the URL address that we want to link it to. In my case I'll simply enter this one. And by the way, you also get the option to link any document from your computer to this hyperlink. For that you simply need to click on this select option and choose the file that you want to link it to. For now I'll simply cancel this because I have already entered the address URL here, and once that is entered I'll simply click OK. And now this text has been linked to that hypertext. If I click on that, you can see the URL is opening here. Further, there is a quicker way to add hyperlinks to text in MS Word, and for that you can use a shortcut, that is Command+K on Mac or Control+K on Windows. Let's see this in action here. I will hyperlink this text here, so I'll simply select this one and then press Command+K on my Mac, and you can see it has popped up the insert link option here. I can simply enter the URL here that I want to hyperlink it to, and once done I'll simply press OK, and you can see this text has been hyperlinked. And if I simply click on this will open the URL that I have linked it to. So that is how you add hyperlinks to text in MS Word. And by the way, if you want to learn how to convert Word document as PDF, make sure you tap on the video showing on your screen to learn that. Thanks for watching. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.